Okay, so here's another tool that you're going to need for the cowcatcher. Now, hopefully you've already done the loft, and then next we have to hollow this part out on the inside. But if you look, it stays consistent here, even though the outside changes. So what we're going to want to do is a new tool that you haven't used before called a shell tool. So the shell tool is way over here to the right in the features menu. So when you click on it, it asks you what kind of wall thickness you want. So we're going to go back to the train and check. And it is 0.05 here where we've already gone in some. So zero point 0.1 is what we want for a wall thickness. And we want to click on the bottom of the part. And once I right click, it puts a shell right in there for us. And then the next video, I'm going to show you how to do this outside face.